Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to view email headers in Outlook 2025. If you've ever needed to troubleshoot an email issue, check for security details, or just understand the behind-the-scenes info of your messages, this guide is for you. Email headers contain vital metadata like sender IP addresses, routing paths, and authentication details. It's like peeking under the hood of your inbox. First things first, make sure you have Outlook 2025 installed and open on your computer. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Launch Microsoft Outlook and navigate to your inbox. Select the email you want to inspect by clicking on it once. This will open the email in the reading pane or a new window. Step 2. Head to the top menu and click on the File tab. It's usually in the upper left corner, just like in previous versions. Once you're in the File menu, look for Properties or Info in Outlook 2025. It's streamlined for quicker access. Click on that, and you'll see a variety of options related to the email. Step 3. In the Properties window, scroll down or look for the section labeled Internet Headers or Message Headers. This might be under a sub-menu like Security, or directly in the main Properties pane. Click on it to expand, and voila, you'll see the full header text displayed. You can copy it to your clipboard if you need to share it or analyze it further. Now, a quick tip. If you're dealing with a large header, use your browser's search function, Ctrl+F, to find specific details like the From field or Received lines. This can save you time, especially for complex emails. Remember, viewing headers is a powerful tool for spotting spam or verifying sender authenticity, so use it wisely. And there you have it. You're now a pro at viewing email headers in Outlook 2025. This process is straightforward and takes less than a minute once you're familiar with it. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.